Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Blue Lake today, baby. Is that Avery?
Jesus fuck. Yeah, I slept like a fucking. I was on the hill, bro.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Brought the queso.
Yo.
Oh, San, can you see? My bad voice, man, is going away. I sound like normal kitten.
Let's see if he answers in time.
Yo.
Yo. I see you leaving.
You said what?
I see you leaving, bro.
Oh shit. Do you want me to grab you something? I'm just getting food.
You're gonna jump with the cyanobacteria and wash it off in the. No, I don't like the sound of that at all. We're gonna be carrying all our shit so light.
We're about to walk miles, dude.
Thank you guys for 101 followers. Now it's time for a celebratory sofa.
Have a fool in the water isn't so cold,
Look at
but
this
I
sexy
think
man
that I
right
might
here.
like die if I fucking get a little.
Fuck.
Way up here, and you're gonna hit it with your.
Oh, you just barely
like, time
went.
it.
No,
really.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
That was real good. Oh, that was bad.
Benji.
Get in the shit. Jump life, jump.
Jump line, jump line.
Yes,
That was a lot of milk.
that was a lot of it.
That might be a problem.
So chill, touch the mud.
It's gonna callous you up, bro.
Bro's going barefoot. We got a mile left.
Yeah, I'm definitely.
Bro, I got the shroom on.
Oh, what the?
I can't really tell how pretty it is.
Oh yeah, the strong one. There we go.
Dude, that's great.
You a pussy boy?
Alright boys, it started to rain. Paris got the poncho. And then there's fucking Avery barefoot.
This guy can't even flip, bro. Dude.
Got the camera bag.
Who's gonna carry the boats and the logs? Me.
Even though this hike's a bitch, it's always worth it. Probably the best scenic spot in Colorado. Look at this shit. Damn. That's far on the best waterfall. There. Oh, I can see it, bro. Where the fuck is fucking Avery? Fucking skeets. Here she is, though. Still gotta hike all the way around. There's also, so this is Blue Lake. Little Blue Lake is over the peak. This is fucking Blue Lake, boys. This spot is so beautiful. I love this place so much. Yeah, this shit's literally my home screen. It's taken over there of the cliffs.
We gotta climb the 50. We gotta at least
So
try.
sick.
Yo, honestly, I do want to quit here. This spot is fucking crazy.
It is,
Dude,
bro.
a clip from right here would go crazy.
Oh, if you had like a fucking...
Like to leave your phone all over here. I'm like, oh.
Look at the water, boys. Holy shit. These motherfuckers are jumping in, bro. We haven't even got to the cliff yet.
Ah, you're one camera.
Fucking
That
skits.
stays better.
These motherfuckers.
You want slow-mo? Oh.
He went down.
I know, I was thinking that too.
And he swam out.
I know his ass is cold as fuck.
Woo! He said, I know his ass is cold. I'm gonna put my top.
Let's chill, bro.
So fuck.
360 dive. I barely want to even just dive it.
Yeah, hit Paris with some back shots for sure.
Hey.
I got you the back.
Dude, you can see his whole body. That's just cold, huh?
Cold as fuck. You're crazy for swimming that far.
Go.
Bro, there's no towel. I'm gonna freeze to death.
Oh my gosh. That looks so majestic, bro.
Holy shit. That's cold. That felt magical.
Now we're going over there.
Oh, that works, right?
He's got to get
Look
a
at
taste
him.
first. There's snow up there, bro.
Can I feed him fruit?
This shit is getting. Oh my god.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. That
Look at that dude all the way out there, bro. It's
He's coming
totally
back.
chill.
He's running. He's running back.
he's getting the hell.
They want to leave,
You just
bro.
see a dude you see him cartwheeling down the hill, just trying to.
I'll tell you what. If you see another group going up there,
If we see a group coming up, we're turning around and sending it.
it's gonna
Why
happen.
though? We're already here.
Damn. You need to spend some time down in Texas, boy.
Bro, you haven't spent enough time in Colorado, it appears, because you don't know what you're doing.
Dude, you need
They want to leave, bro. We just got here.
Yeah, come spend some time on Pappy's farm, boy.
I don't know. He lives out in the damn boonies.
Yeah, this is the damn booty Pappy's farm.
Why are you doing this to us, Benji?
Because it's not safe to be out in the lightning, bro. It's just not. I'm
He has a
sorry.
point. What the?
Benji, the mad gatekeeper, bro. He doesn't want us to have these clips, bro.
I'm not gatekeeping, bro. I swear.
You can look, you just can't touch.
I'm
He
looking
want
out
us
for
all the way to Colorado to drag us to the cyanobacteria, bro.
Dude.
He just didn't want us to hit all the cool
Really
spots.
trying to take a toll on our trip, bro.
Dude, hey, we were really gonna run that Oregon trip back if you lost that camera. If you had time.
Yeah.
When we talked about it, I was like, dude, I'm not doing
You got the whiskey lid. Whiskey lid.
Whiskey lid.
Wait, bro, let's smoke some bowls right here.
We don't have the bomb.
Can I rip that vape, Steven? How about that?
Steven, can I hit the vape? You
Oh,
want to put it on the...
Avery, what's the moves tomorrow? What's the moves? Let us know.
we're going to Blue Lake
For the
Son.
second time.
for the second time because these guys wanted to get some head first dives in.
They're playing fucking Fortnite right now.
So yeah,
Bro,
well,
this guy's not coming.
I'm not coming, bro.
he's not coming. He decided that
It's not very
Avery told me
Benji.
he's saying
Paris is sleeping. He was coming now.
Ah, yeah.
Lake.
Oh, we got big X and plug. Let's go.
Kian.
Oh yeah, fuck.
Kian. Skateboarding, Kian. Alright guys, we're back at Blue Lake for the second time and we're waiting for Avery, Paris, and fucking...
Oh, there they are. No fucking.
No way!
Let's go, bro. I didn't think we were gonna see him.
What's up?
What's up, gang? Is Boggy fine?
No, he's right behind you. Baja's right behind you.
Okay, my fault. I didn't mean to.
Hell yeah.
Jump live.
Jump live, jump live. This time, instead of six guys, we have 15 fucking people.
Steven, what you throwing?
720 duds.
No, off the 50?
Nah. Yeah, nah. Nah. Yo, kid.
Is that me?
Did you? Did you just pick that up? Wait, that's not yours?
No.
I thought you dropped that, bro. I saw it.
The
Fuck.
wetsuit, maybe?
Yeah, wait. That might be one of the wetsuits. I swear I saw it. A lot better weather this time. We got Peter with us this time too. Jump live.
I got bad bitches at the crib.
Where they at though? See, we have at least like over 10 people with us, so it's gonna be insane. Look at the fucking clouds up there. We're up here. Look at this fucking shit, bro. These are all cliffs. I think it's gonna go down today. 2 days ago, this was not doable because of the weather, but these clouds are so low. We still good. We hiking in the dunks, bro. Left my car keys and Benji, so Peter's got the Air Maxes on. We fucking. This shit's just gonna be cold as fuck.
Should I throw up in the air recording?
Give it a sec, not yet.
3, 2, 1, send it!
Yes, dude.
3, 2, 1. Did a 40'7". Avery did a fucking full and then a triple full. This motherfucker's gainering like it's his fucking job.
2 flailing gainers.
2 flailing gainers. This guy right here did a quad. Fucking, but the camera died, so nobody got it. And this motherfucker did a 60-foot sofa.
Something like.
I don't want to leave. I can't even see them, bro.
Shit.
What the fuck? It really shows how big these mountains are. And then look at this motherfucker. Dude, look at that water, bro.
That's so fucking beautiful, bro.
Alright, we gotta fucking go. We gotta go. Made it back to the whips.
Do we have time for this?
Oh, it starts snowing.
Ah, yeah.